Okay, hi. In this video, I would like to show you something quite amazing. It's called a dynamic picture grid. Okay, I will first introduce you, but in the first tab previous to this one is an actual list of all the participants in a specific group, okay? And their pictures are being brought in from an external data from Google Drive and through specific links, etc., and some coding. Now, this is the list of each person and specific details about him. Now, the staff want what's called a picture grid, which is the photo, his name, his first name, contact information, his phone number, and his email address. Okay, now they want this stuck up, they want it printed in color and put up in various rooms throughout the building. Now, the thing is, to get a picture grid is can be very time consuming. So, but not after it's been programmed this way. You see here, what we do is, I want to show you that there's actually really nothing. This is actually phantom information. If I just put, let's say, a number 1, and enter, right? Everything here disappears. There's really only a value in this first cell. So I'll show you, if I delete this, everything comes back immediately, because really the information is here. Look at all this. This is the code that actually reads everything from the main form. So if any details change in this main form, this is what is edited by the users in the institution, is automatically reflected in the dynamic, that's why it's called dynamic, the dynamic photo grid. Now, another specific feature is we can actually change how we want the layout to be, just with deciding, you know what, I want a picture grid that has, let's say, 10 rows, because I know there's about 29, 30 in this group. So if I put 10 here, automatically, boom, it calculates it. All the spacing is absolutely perfect. Everything is ready to go. I just highlight the cells that I want. Right, here we go. And I Control P for printing. I want it to be landscape. And I don't want the whole sheet, I just want the ones that I selected. And here you go, here's a beautiful picture grid that can be printed in color, which is printed in color. And okay, you can do all different stuff here, the margins, and make it even more, make it better. But that's how fast it is. It's just extremely fast, and it works for all the different groups. We have about 15 different groups, and it's been automated because it's dynamic. Now, this requires, the reason I'm showing you this also is to illustrate that keywords are being identified, meaning the names, the pictures, and it's also being referenced outside of the scope. It's being referenced from Google Drive. It's been through specific custom-made links, and the links itself have been doctored in order to fulfill these features. Okay, also counts, very important. Counts are also being used here to count how many in the row. And when we decided, let's go back here, when we decided how many we want, the count is actually working in all of these formulas. Just this one number is being utilized. Let's say we wanted 6 in a row. So then we will have 5 rows here. And that can be a nice table, a nice picture grid that can be printed as a PDF, and we would make that portrait because it's longer. Let's go to selected cells, and this is what it looks like. Let's zoom out a bit here. I'm clicking here to zoom out, and really is very fast. Used to be the secretaries used to sit and put in each picture at a time, and now it's all automated. Okay, great. Hope you enjoyed.